Hi, I'm Marie, and yes, the magic really is in the details when bringing your subject to life. This is my watercolour peony tutorial, and here I just quickly show you what a difference it makes when you start to build up the details. Once I have the initial layers down, this is when the fun really begins. My favourite part of painting is building up the layers in small, incremental areas and watching my subject emerge from the paper. As I build up the depth of colour through layering, I start to refine the surface by adding in even smaller areas of detail. This process starts to bring your subject to life by creating depth and a richly textured surface. And it's this richly textured surface that creates the most interest in your painting, and as I said, I also find it the most fun and satisfying part of painting my picture. When adding the details, I use my brush to create different markings in different areas, and then use a clean, damp brush to very gently blend in around the edges. Just gently dabbing or stippling at the very edge of the colour that I put down so that I retain its depth and richness. I also use my brush in different ways to create various shapes in order to create areas of texture, often layering these stippled shapes and varying the tone or hue that I'm applying, as this helps to create a feeling of depth. So if you're interested in painting the whole tutorial and learning these techniques, you can join me in the Watercolor Members Club. You can take a look at the link below to find out more. And I hope you enjoyed this quick video and it helps you in your own practice. If you'd like to continue enjoying these tips and techniques, please remember to like and subscribe so that you're kept up to date when new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.